Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming fundamentals. Update Facebook and device OS because outdated builds often break feed retrieval. Once updated, test connectivity, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or restart the router to rule out network DNS problems. Then force quit the app and log back in to refresh your session tokens and cached pointers. These steps clear common session and network causes. They also prepare your device for deeper cache and permission fixes if the feed still won't load. Next, clear cache and app data to remove corrupted local files. On iOS, reinstall the app to achieve the same effect. Make sure Facebook can use background data and has notification permission, because restricted background access can stop feed refreshes. Then open feed preferences, prioritize friends and pages you want, unfollow clutter, and choose most recent if algorithm change is the issue. These steps reset local state and tell Facebook which content to fetch, improving feed relevance and ensuring updates actually appear. Finally, check account-level filters, review blocks and restricted lists, and undo any hidden from timeline settings that prevent posts from appearing. If the problem persists, report a problem via the app's Help Center and test Facebook on another device or a friend's account to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different network or enable a reputable VPN to rule out ISP or regional blocks, because sometimes routing or DNS filtering prevents feed content from loading even.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.